2018 seat Arona. The seat Arona sits underneath the Juke in the seat range and uses the same platform as the all-new Ibiza. It will be available to buy from early 2018 and is expected to cost from around £15,000. Many of the mechanical components and much of the technology fitted is shared with the Ibiza, including the engines. There will be petrol options with 95 PS, 115 PS and 150 PS, along with the pair of diesels producing either 95 PS or 115 PS. Manual and DSG auto transmissions are available. In terms of size, the Arona is very slightly longer than the rival Nissan Juke and Renault Captur, but its 400-litre boot capacity is larger than the 354 litres in the Nissan and 377 litres in the Captur. Up front, the similarities with the Ibiza continue. The center stack features the same driver-facing layout and touchscreen system, with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. A huge range of high-tech equipment is available, including adaptive cruise control, auto emergency brakes, lane keep assist and wireless smartphone charging. The trim structure is to be confirmed but is likely to follow other seat models, with S, SE, SE technology, FR and Silence trim levels. The FR variant gets sportier styling and suspension, but other equipment details, as well as pricing information, will be confirmed nearer the car's on-sale date.